If you ever visit Cape Cod, two of the most popular destinations are Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. These are both islands located off the coast of the Cape. It's a little embarrassing to admit this, but yesterday was my first trip to Nantucket in 36 years. I was born and raised in Falmouth here on Cape Cod. It's where I live now, and I had never ever been to Nantucket. I didn't realize how easy it was going to be, and honestly, how much I was going to love it. The moment we stepped off the ferry, Nantucket became my favorite island, which is dangerous because it is wildly expensive. I wanted to take you on a walking tour of Nantucket. It's such a small but gorgeous island. We visited some of the restaurants, we walked the streets, I visited the shops, and I just wanted to take you along with me. So if you are interested, stick around for the next few minutes and see the beauty that is Nantucket. We took the fast ferry out of Hyannis, which takes an hour from departure to arrival. It costs about $45 per person round trip. The website said to arrive a little early, so we did, and we were able to explore before hopping in line. You currently do need a mask to still get onto the boat. There are 2 levels on the boat, including an outdoor area that filled really quickly. The seats are kind of like an airplane, some face in the opposite direction of travel. We faced forward inside, and I was worried about getting seasick, but on the upper deck, it was only slightly rocky, and I didn't end up having a problem. Nantucket is such a small island that there's so much to see right when you get off the ferry. I absolutely love that the streets are cobblestones and all of the buildings are weathered. I researched where we wanted to have lunch through Instagram and TikTok, and we found the perfect spot called Slip 14. We were able to get a table outside in the sun. The menu is limited, and if you ask, they do have kids' meals. We definitely recommend the spicy chicken sandwich and anything off the drink menu. One of the best parts of this location is the view of the water, but also the hydrangeas. Callie wanted a photo shoot in front of them because they matched her dress, and they were right behind our table, so we were able to spend some time taking pictures, which you can see on Instagram. Callie was most excited to get ice cream, and we found this adorable little shop called Jack and Charlie's named after the owner's sons. Pro tip, get a chocolate waffle cone here. They taste like a brownie and they're handmade. I took footage of the signs, streets, and buildings to show you the vibe of Nantucket. It's quaint, beautiful, and full of history. I was able to spend a full hour alone shopping while Callie rested on a bench with Mark. The price tags here are not for the bargain shopper, but the clothing, jewelry, and art are gorgeous. I fell in love with the roses that line these weathered buildings. They're just so beautiful and natural. We visited the White Elephant, which is on my list of must-stays someday. I would absolutely love to stay here during Nantucket Stroll, which happens the first weekend of December for the holidays. We wrapped up the day by playing in their gorgeous park. Thank you so much for coming on this island tour with us, and we will see you very soon. Bye, everybody.